I am Matapattu HGR-TP. Today we are going to talk about an alternative solution for electric water heaters. First, let's look at the introduction of the presentation. Water heater is thermodynamic process that uses an energy source to heat water above its initial temperature. In this presentation, we have identified what are the problems of traditional electric water heaters. If we use this product, we'll face many problems as overwasting money and energy. So, in this project, we have found the best alternative solution for electric water heaters. Why this project is important? Because we have faced many problems with this product. Therefore, if we get best alternative for this, we can save energy, time, money, and we can get high efficiency, safe, eco-friendly, and low maintenance. The raw materials of the electric water heaters. All the raw materials are non-renewable according to this table. Raw materials are plastic, metal like aluminum, nickel, copper, electronic elements, nichrome heating coil, storage tank, and anode rod. The properties of the electric water heaters. In this table, we can see properties clearly. They are nature of supply, rated maximum voltage, rated maximum current as 27 amps, and maximum active power consumption like 15 kilowatts, and maximum temperature like 51 centigrades. The properties of the raw materials. They are plastic, aluminum, nickel, copper, electronic components, and nichrome heating coil. Thank you. I'll pass the presentation to Sapni.
Thank you, Tarni. I am Mariam Images. Now I am going to explain about the process flow diagram of electric water heater. In this slide, we can see the several stages of making an electric water heater. The electric water energy is transformed into the high water pressure, and also the nichrome coil and the electric energy and installation of thermostat is changing into heating element, and also the outer cover of the heater is like the plastic and the printings and the electronic components, temperature, regulators, and sensors and indicators. And all the outer power waste is transformed to the electronic waste. Um, and you can see all the process in this slide. Next, I'm going to explain about the users or the applications of electric water heater. It's impossible to in, it's impossible to use in this use the sorry in construction industry, we use the water heating and use for freeze protection and the steam generation and to clean up the site, and also in houses we use for the hot showers and for the cleaning purposes, and also in agricultural industry we use in pasteurization and used for milk dairy production and used in sanitization and preparation, used in heating warehouses and also in storage areas. And next, and in apartments, hot shower, it's used for the hot showers, and factory bathrooms or sinks, it's used for the shower or washing, and kitchens, it used for the boil vegetables, to clean cooking equipment, to wash vegetables or meat or raw food, and also in restaurants or cafes, it used to wash raw foods and to make hot drinks. And hand over the presentation to Satmini.
Thank you, Safni. I'm Gunaratna TGCN. I'll beginning with the problems with electric water heaters. We can categorize them to social problems, economical problems, and environmental problems. Now I like to introduce the problems with electric water heater relating to each the above points. All the above problems can be identified regarding to stage 1, extraction of raw materials. Health issues due to toxic gases release on extraction at mine is the social problem. Economical wastage of on mining for resources is economical problem, and resources depletion is the environmental problem. Regarding to next stage, manufacturing process of product, we can identify only environmental problems as shown in the graph. Application of product have lot of social and economical problems. They can be reserved as shown in the graph. Stage 4, discharge of the product have only environmental problem like can't recycle non-renewable raw materials and decompose rate is very low. Then I like to introduce what are the alternatives are available in electric water heaters. We can modify the electric water heater with solar because water heater is high electricity consumption and always need electricity to operate. For water leaks, corrosion and rust problems, we can modify water heater without a tank. Also, we can use modern technology like hybrid heat pump water heaters for water temperature problems, and also some other problems and alternative solutions for each problems shown in the graph. Now I hand over the presentation to Ayesha.
Thank you, Chatumini. I am Gunasinghe MKCA. Earlier, my friend talked about the alternatives and alternative solution. From all this, best alternative solution is use modern technology. The technology behind hybrid water heater varies by the model. In this slide, it shows about the target problem to solve. Two water temperature problems. This can be either water not heating up enough or the water being way too hot. Here are a few reasons for that. This slide shows about the benefits achieved. Increasing water heating efficiency, lower energy bills, efficient heating, affordable and low maintenance. You can customize your usage. Hot water at a lower cost. It's good for the environment. I think there is no better option today than a hybrid water heater. Thank you. I invite to Janet to continue the presentation.
Thank you, Aisha. I'm Abhishek MJBR. Now we are going to talk about the discussion of this presentation. In day-to-day life, it's a bit harder to do our daily activities without a quality water heater. We need an alternative for electric water heater with high efficiency, low power consumption, eco-friendly, and with low maintenance. We have found many alternatives such as solar water heaters, tankless water heaters, hybrid water heaters, wood water heaters, and propane gas water heaters. Within that, we think within that we think hybrid water heaters could save up to 60% of energy, could work many time, and we no need to bother about the weather, and it very easy to handle. So according to our research, hybrid water heaters are the best all among them. In conclusion, we have discussed the whole mechanism of the electric water heaters, and we found the problems that are having with this product. After that, we have discussed the alternatives that are available in the market, and then we have selected that hybrid water heaters are the most best alternative for this for the water heaters, and we had described all benefits of that product. These are the websites and the journals that we have get information, flowcharts and diagrams. At last, we are going to end this presentation. Thank you.